initially there was some difference of opinion was arose. And subsequently, the entire people of our party cadres now think that the future PMK will be protected only by the Dr. Anbumani. So we are all together. We are all now, we don't have any difference of opinion. We'll look forward. We'll ready to face the election. Definitely the PMK alliance only will win in 2026 election. Ungaludan Stalin in the name itself illegal. It's against the Supreme Court judgment. The people money is using for this scheme, but they are using their name. Only for the political purpose, they are using the Stalin name. That name has to be removed immediately. Otherwise, we are thinking to file the writ petition before the High Court to remove the Ungaludan Stalin name.